Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will study about addition of integers. So before that, what we have studied, we'll discuss. We have studied that next new thing, this new number, that is integers. So what is integer? Integer is a number or set of a number which includes that zero and natural number and negative numbers. Okay. So here we studied about how to compare these integers. Okay, so today we will study addition of integers with number line and without number line. So let's start addition of integers. So here saying we are adding natural number, like first we add natural number which are integers, means positive integers. You add when you have two positive integers. Okay, so when you have two positive integers to add, that time you add it, simply add it. Plus 3 plus 2 means what? Plus 3 means 3. Okay. And plus 2 means plus 2. So what you will write? 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Okay. Next, you can add any positive integer. If 5 plus 10, what you will write? These are two positive integers. 5 plus 10 equal to 15. Means when you have two positive integers to add, you simply add it. Okay. Next, see, you also had when you have two negative integers, but the answer will take a minus sign, like we will see minus 2 plus minus 1. What you will do? You will add the integers. Okay, the negative integers you add, and what you will do? You will put negative sign. So minus 2 plus minus 1. What you will write? You can write it as, where it is? Here 2 plus 1 equal to how much? 3. Minus given, will write minus. Okay, like you have minus 10 plus minus 7. What you will do? Both are minus. You have to add the negative integer. Both are negative. So what you will do? You will add the numbers. First add number को add कर दो. 10 plus 7 equal to how much? 17. Okay. Forget about the, means that time forget about, add the numbers. 10 plus 17. Then put minus sign. Okay. Another example I am showing. Minus 5 plus minus 10. So add the number first, 5 plus 10, 15. Then put negative sign. So this is about adding negative integers. If you have number like minus 1 plus minus 3 plus minus 7. Okay. So what you will do? You add the numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 7, 11. Then put the negative sign. Okay. It is like this when you add negative integers. Next, when you have one positive and one negative integer, you must subtract, but answer will take the sign of the bigger integer. Ignoring the sign of numbers, decide which is bigger. Okay, means if minus 7 is given, okay, minus 7 is given plus minus 3, sorry, plus 3 is given. So which is bigger? Actually minus plus 3 is bigger, but you need to ignore the sign. Without sign, which is bigger? 7 is bigger. So what you will do? First subtract 7 minus 3. What you will write? 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Okay. You subtract from bigger number to smaller number. Okay. So here bigger number this is, smaller number this is. Bigger number to smaller number. Then what you will do? You will put the sign of the bigger number. Sign of bigger number is what? Minus. Okay. Let's see another example. Look at here. Plus 5 plus minus 8. So from you will see 5, 8. Which is bigger? 8 is bigger. Okay. Without considering the साइन को कंसीडर करबोनी ओके साइन को कंसीडर न कले विदाउट साइन रे हम लिखिछु कोन पाइलो 8 इज बिगर सो व्हाट यू विल डू subtract 8 minus 5 3 okay and put the sign of bigger which is sign of bigger sign of bigger which one is bigger 8 have minus 8 रो minus अछि सेठ में minus put करियो next plus 6 plus minus 4 look at here so which is bigger 6 is bigger than 4 okay so what you will write okay 6 number is bigger than 4 number so 6 minus 4 okay this is plus this is minus 10 so 6 minus 4 equal to 2 and which bigger number 6 has which sign positive so this is positive sign means plus 2 means you can simply write 2 next here you minus 1 plus 1 okay so here what two numbers which are each number is equal so 1 minus 1 equal to how much 0 for 0 no sign is there neither positive neither nor negative so 0 is neither positive nor negative we have done addition of integers okay addition of integers without number line so now we will do addition of integers on a number line so same number plus 3 plus 5 so what you will do you first take plus 3 okay so this is number line middle 0 is there which is neither positive integer nor negative integer then on the right side of 0 if you will move from the right side of 0 what you will get these are positive integers on the left side of 0 what you will get these are negative integers so let's see how we will add so number line first is plus 3 is here this is plus 3 so from 0 move to plus 3 then what is saying plus 5 means you will move to plus 5 means 5 number so here 5 1 2 3 4 5 means you can move like that 1 2 3 4 5 okay so what you got answer is 8 so plus 3 plus 5 equal to how much plus 8 okay or you can simply write as 8 to add positive integers we move towards the right on a number line okay we move towards the right हमें right आड़ को move कले next minus 3 plus minus 5 okay the same thing so look at here negative integers are on the left side of the 0 so minus 3 here minus 3 is here look at here minus 3 okay so from 0 move to minus 3 okay next it is minus 5 means you have to move towards left so 1 2 3 4 5 okay so what is it is how much you got minus 8 so minus 3 plus minus 5 equal to how much minus 8 so when there is two positive integers you move towards right okay first you take first number नहीं की तापरे second number count करके नब next if you have to add two negative integers you move towards left okay first number नहीं जीवो then second number को count करके नब okay so first you take first number then count the second number so minus 3 plus minus 5 equal to how much minus 8 so when you have to add two negative integers you move towards left next we will see plus 5 minus 3 okay plus 5 minus 3 so we have to add first is positive integer second one is negative integer so we have to add positive integer and negative integer so first we will treat what it is given plus 5 so from 0 you take plus 5 is on right side this you take from 0 to here plus 5 okay then it is minus 3 minus means what you will move towards left so 3 blocks you move towards left ओके तीनटा करो तुम लेफ्ट आड़ को जीव 1 2 3 So how much you got? Look, plus 2, that is 2. So plus 5 plus minus 3 equal to 2. Okay, so you have gone plus 5. Okay, then right, plus 5 means you move towards left hand ko move kalo. Then minus 3 means you move towards, sorry, plus 5 means you move towards right. Plus 5 re tame ko adu ko move kalo? Right ko. Okay, this is showing the side. Then plus minus 3 means you move towards left. Tinta ghar pachu galo. Okay, left hand galo. What you got? 2. Next you see minus 5 plus 3. So look at here, first minus 5 then plus 3. So minus 5 means you move, where you will move? Minus means you move towards left. Then plus 3 means you move towards right. So wherever negative sign is there in minus and plus, okay, je tamaro gote minus gote plus thibo tahale kon karibo, gote minus gote plus thibo. So first minus when you are adding, then that time what you will do, where is minus you will go to left side of 0. Jetale minus thibo 0 ro left side ko jibo, and where you have plus sign means joti plus sign thibo you will go to right side of 0. Right 0 ro right side ko jibo plus thile. Okay, so look at here, minus 5 from 0, minus 5 is here, so directly go to minus 5. Okay, we have gone. Next, plus 3 means 1, you will go to right side, 2, 3. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is minus 2. It is so easy to get this answer with a number line. Next to look, plus 3 plus minus 3. So look at here, plus 3 from 0, plus 3 is on the right side. Okay, so it will go to right side plus 3. Next, minus 3 means we will move towards the left. Sorry, I have done the mistake. Okay, here I have done the mistake. It will start from 0. Okay, I'll take it like this. Okay, this is wrong. From 0 to plus 3. Okay, next what we'll do? Plus 3 we have gone right. Okay, then minus 3. 1, 2, 3. So what you are getting? Answer is 0. Okay, answer is what? 0. If I'll invert, okay, reverse the order. Mu order ko reverse kar debi. Means ago mu rakhibi minus 3 plus 3. What we'll get? We'll see. Okay, in a number line. So here from 0, okay, this one I have done the mistake. I'll do in a number line minus 3 plus 3. Okay, so here one number line is there. Okay, I'll use this number line. So 0 to minus 3 is here. Okay, so move to, you have to make for every addition you have every operation you have to make another number line. Okay, but I don't have any space, that's why I am using this one. Okay, but you have to make another number line. Okay, minus 3 means we'll move to left. Okay, so this is minus 3. Then what it is given? Plus 3. Plus 3 means you move to right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So what you got? 0. So minus 3 plus 3 is 0. When you add one negative and positive, same integer means same type of number of positive and negative integer, then what you are getting? 0. That's why these numbers are called additive inverse. What these numbers are called? Additive inverse. So let's see what is additive inverse. 2 plus minus 2. If we'll do, if one is positive, one is negative, means what we can do? 2, we can do 2, both are same. So we'll do, but we'll do subtract both of them. 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so whenever we are adding numbers as a 3 and minus 3, 2 and minus 2, 7 and minus 7, when added to each other give the sum 0. When we add these numbers, what we will get? The sum is 0. They are called additive inverse of each other. So if means here, look at here, 2 is additive inverse of minus 2. Minus 2 is additive inverse of 2. If we write 7 plus minus 7, what you got? 0. So 7 is additive inverse of minus 7. Minus 7 is additive inverse of 7. Okay. So look at here. So additive inverse of 6 means positive integer is negative integer. Okay. Because if you add, additive inverse means if you add that number, you will get the sum 0. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଇ number को add କରୁଛ ତାହେଲେ ତମର answer କ'ଣ ମିଳୁଛି? 6 plus minus 6 equal to 0. Like that, additive inverse of minus 7 is what? 7. तो negative integer additive inverse कौन होगा? Positive integer. So whenever they are asking additive inverse, if positive number are given, you write negative integer. If negative integer is given, you write positive integer. Okay, and you put the same number 6 by 6 जगह 7 put करिबनी कि 8 put करजन. एडी जदि 6 अछि एडी 6 पड़े, only sign change हो. एडी जदि minus sign देइथांता, additive inverse of minus 6, then what you could have write? कौन लिखतांतो? 6. Because here minus is already given, you will write the positive integer. So this is about additive integers. Next we'll see the some of the examples of your book. Okay, example 3. Using the number line, write the integer which is number 4 more than minus 1. Okay, so 4 more than minus 1. What you will do? First you take minus 1. 4 more than minus 1. So the number we have to find which is more than minus 1. Means 4 more than. So minus 1 tharu 4 अधिक. Okay, 4 more. So first what you will do? First you will take minus 1. Okay, first you take minus 1, then what it is saying? 4 more than minus 1. You take minus 1. Okay, 4 more than minus 1. So start from minus 1, count it. 1, 2, 4 more na. 4 more means what? You will move towards right. 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you got? Answer is 3. Okay. Next you move. Look at here. 5 less than 3. Okay. So here it is given 5 less than 3. So where is 5? Look at here 5. Okay. It is given 5 less than 3. 5 less than 3 means first you take what? 3. From 3 you take. From 3, 5 less. Less means what? Where you will move? You will move towards left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what you got? Answer is 5 less than 3 equal to minus 2. Okay. So this is about example. Next example is, look at here. Find the sum of minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. So minus 9 plus 4 plus minus 6 plus 3. Okay, so what you will do? You will arrange all the numbers. Okay, positive numbers one side and negative numbers positive integers one side and negative integers one side. So what you will do? Minus 9 plus here minus 6 is there. Write the minus 6. Or other negative integers are not here. Next you put positive integer plus 4 plus 3. Okay. Next what you will do? You know when two negative integers are added, then you add the number. जेतल दीटा negative integers add हो कौन हो? Number को add करो. 9 plus 6 how much? 15. And put the negative sign. Plus when two positive integers are there, add it. Okay. 4 plus 3 7. Okay. So now one negative integer, one positive integer. What you will do? So 15, 7. Which is bigger? 15 is bigger. So 15 minus 7 is how much? 8. Okay. So next, which is bigger? 15 is bigger. Means 15 has which sign? Negative sign. So put negative sign. So this is the example 4. Okay. This is about addition of integers. Next we'll see subtraction of integers. Okay. So look at here, subtraction of integers with the help of number line. So 6 minus 2. So 6, what will do? You move towards 6. Where is 6? Here it is 6. What you will do? You will do minus 2. So where is minus 2 means what? You move towards left. So 1, 2. Okay. So what is the answer? 4. Okay. Next it is given 6 minus 2. For this what you will do? Here 6, then again minus 1. So when we subtract a negative integer, we get a greater integer. So how we will get a greater integer? Look at here, where it is 6. 6 is here. So what we will do? We will move towards, it is 6, we will move towards right. 1, 2. So what you get? 8. So you can write it as 6 minus 2 equal to 6 plus 2, 8. So what you are doing? You are converting this minus 2, okay, minus 2 into what? 2. Means minus 2, you are converting the additive inverse of minus 2 when you are subtracting. Okay. So when you are subtracting 6 minus 2 means you are subtracting negative integers. Jeteବେଳେ negative integers subtract करछो सेतेବେଳେ कोन करछो? You go towards the right. Okay, because you are converting this minus 2 into what? Additive inverse. Okay, so look at here. Next we will see minus 8 minus 10. So where is minus 8? Look, here is minus 8. So minus 10. So what we can write? Additive inverse of minus 10 is how much? 10. So what will do? It will convert into minus 10 plus 10. It will convert like this. Okay. So additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. So minus 10 is converted into 10 when you are subtracting the negative integers. Jeteବେଳେ negative integers subtract करछो सेतेବେଳେ कोन होबो? That number will change, that negative number, not first number which you are subtracting. Okay, the number you are subtracting, जो number को subtract करछो means not the first number, the second number. Okay, will change into positive integer. So let's see. So minus 8 plus minus 8 is here. Here is minus 8 plus 10 means we move towards right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer is what? 2. Okay. So this is about that subtraction. So when we are subtracting, when you are subtracting positive integers, okay, that time no will go to left. But when we are subtracting negative integers, we will go to right. Okay. So hence to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of that integer that is being subtracted to the other integers. The same thing we have seen. Okay. So next you saw subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So what you will write? Minus 10 minus 4. Okay, so we have to subtract minus 4 from minus 10. So So you will write first this one, minus 10 minus 4. So what you will do? So you have to convert, this is negative integer. So we have to subtract negative integer, we are subtracting negative integer. That's why what we will do, we will convert a negative integer ko kothre convert karibo, additive inverse. Then add it, minus 10. What you will write? You will add, put addition sign, plus 4. Okay, 4 is the additive inverse of minus 4. Then you, as you are doing, the 10 minus 10 plus 4. So which is bigger? 10 4, 10 is bigger. So plus minus and plus sign is there. So 10 minus 4 is 6. So 10 has negative sign, so put minus. Okay. Like that. Another one is given, subtract plus 3 from minus 3. Okay. So what we'll do? Subtract plus 3 from minus 3. So you will write minus 3 minus plus 3. Okay. So you will write, so when we are, so what you will write? Minus 3 plus minus 3. So here you will, when you are means taking positive sign, what we are doing? We are converting into negative sign. Means the additive inverse of plus 3 is what? Minus 3. So what you will found? Additive inverse equal to how much? Of plus 3. Of plus 3 equal to minus 3. So now we got additive inverse. Then what we will do? We will add. Means minus 3 plus minus 3 is how much? So both are negative sign. So you add this 3 plus 3, 6. You put minus sign. Okay. So this is about addition and subtraction of integer with the help of number line, without the help of number line. Okay. So these are we have done without help of number line. So this is about today's class. Thank you.